Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Pen Hacks. Today we have come back with amazing top 5 powerful apps which makes your device attractive. So without wasting more time, let's get started. First we have for y'all is Super Status Bar. In that it has Catcher. It quickly toggle settings and open your favorite apps with simple gestures on the status bar, like brightness and volume control. It changes brightness and volume with ease by swiping along the status bar. Custom status bar. Here you can apply different styles, change the color and order, and enable or disable icons. Battery bar. In that you can change the color of the battery bar and it also gives you animation when it's on charging. Ticker text. It gives you a preview of notification without heads up pop-ups. Extra. You can experience many more features including battery bar, additional status bar modification and more. It's an amazing app. I must say y'all should install it. Next app we have is Wave Keyboard app. Wave Keyboard is the first custom Android keyboard to bring you the coolest looking themes that combine stunning graphics with beautiful animations. The only keyboard that perfectly combines a high quality autocorrection algorithm with stunning animated graphics. Wave Keyboards brings you the next level in keyboard personalization. It's the first custom Android keyboard that supports animated themes. If you truly want an amazing looking keyboard that will make your device unique, install it now. It provides you with a cleaner which cleans all the trash of the keyboard. It also gives you a GIF effect. Suppose you want to wish someone on their birthday, then you can try this. And you can also keep your copied messages as long as you want in this clipboard. Enjoy this amazing app, Wave Keyboard. Next app we have is iCall Screen. In this full screen caller ID, you get the same feeling like you are using iPhone X or OS 14 device. In this caller screen app has contact list, recent list, favorite list and dialer T9 search keypad. There are also many settings for the slide to answer call screen like swipe, accept and decline button. You can also customize and decorate predefined wallpaper of background for call screen. If you want something different or you want to choose an image from the gallery, then you can find elegant wallpaper and background from app setting. Next app is YouTube Ad Skip. In this app, y'all can skip the ad of the YouTube by just enabling the accessibility of this app. Our next app is Shazam. This app helps you to identify any song that's playing nearby, learn more about the song, artist, album, and see music videos. You can also find lyrics of the song written in English and sing along even if you don't speak the language. You can also locate the song on Google Play Music to download and add to your collection.
Dile que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes.
To download this app's link is provided in description. For more APK, please follow us on Telegram channel APK Modes. If you like this video, please tap the bell icon. Thank you.